Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the autofocus isn't working on your SONY ZV-E10 Mark II camera. So, first of all, click function key and go to the function focus mode tile. Click OK and make sure that you have some kind of autofocus enabled. As you can see, we have the single shot autofocus, automatic autofocus, and continuous autofocus. And you can also adjust the focus settings in menu. If you go to the menu on the sidebar, select focus and then go to AF/MF modes and select focus mode, and here select the focus mode to use by default. And from now on, your focus should be fixed. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.